Some micro-income ideas take less time to try than watching a movie. In this video, you'll get 5 easy ways to make money that you can start tonight. Stay for number 5. It's great if you like sharing your opinions. To get started, create a weekly tip sheet about something you enjoy, like saving money or self-care routines. Use Google Docs or Canva to design a simple one-page sheet. Share it on Substack or Buy Me a Coffee, and let readers support you if they find it helpful. Keep your tip sheet consistent and useful, so people look forward to it each week. Over time, your readers may share your tips with others, helping you grow your audience. Even a small group of supporters can help you earn extra money. You do not need a big budget or a brand to begin, just your own ideas and a little time. This is a quick way to start sharing what you know. It can be a fun project that also brings in some income. Recommendation number 2. Build a Find It Faster file for people who search for the same information often, like best free video tools or small grants for artists. Use Notion or Google Sheets to collect links and notes in one place. Sell your shortcut file on Gumroad and update it monthly to keep it useful. People like having shortcuts that save them time, so your file can be valuable even if it is simple. You can start with just a few links and add more as you go. Remember, number 5 on this list is perfect if you enjoy giving your opinion about products you use. This method is quick to set up and does not require special skills. You can help others while earning a little extra. Stay tuned for the last tip if you want to earn money by sharing your thoughts. And number 3. If you take short videos on your phone, like city skylines or pouring coffee, you can sell these as video packs. Creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram need B-roll for their projects. Use Mixkit for ideas and list your video packs on Ko-fi or Creative Market. Add keywords like study vlog B-roll or aesthetic footage to help people find your clips. Even simple shots can be useful to others. This is a creative way to earn money from videos you already enjoy making. You do not need fancy equipment, just your phone and a good idea. Try making a small pack to start and see what people like. Over time, you can build a collection that brings in steady micro-income. Number 4. Make quick start templates for beginners, such as a resume draft, grocery list, or email script. Use Canva or Google Docs to design easy-to-use templates. Sell them on Payhip or give away the first one free to build trust with new users. Templates help people get started faster and can save them time. You can create several different templates based on your own experience. This is a simple way to help others while earning a little extra money. You do not need to be an expert. Just share what has worked for you. Templates are easy to update and can be reused by many people. This method is quick to set up and can grow over time. Finally, if you like recommending books, tools, or gear, write short reviews and post them online. Use Medium, Lemonade, or your own Notion page to share your thoughts. Add affiliate links from Amazon Associates or Genius Link to earn money when people buy through your links. This is a great way to earn from your opinions about products you already use. You do not need a large audience to get started. Try posting your first review tonight and see what happens. Keep your reviews honest and only a few sentences long so people can read them quickly. You are already sharing opinions with friends, so this is just making it public. Even a few clicks can add up to real earnings over time. As a recap, here are 5 easy ways to make money with micro-income streams. Share weekly tip sheets online, sell shortcut files for fast finds, turn phone clips into video packs, make quick start templates, and earn money with micro reviews. Each idea can be started quickly and does not require a big budget or a large audience. Even small steps can help you grow your savings or add to your 401k. Try one tonight and see how it works for you. Check back on this channel, The Zennial Files, for future advice.